Hello, this is Jack here from the BLOWNFUSES Team 7045. In this video, we will be showing our journey to my dad's work, Digital Image Studios. While we were there, we were able to present our robot to an amazing audience. We showed them our robot and its many unique functions. We also explained what robotics is all about, as well as some of the rules of our competitions. We could tell from the start that everyone liked Jiggles. Jiggles is an amazing attention grabber. As soon as people see Jiggles, they want to see what he's about to do next. We had an amazing time presenting, and we could tell that a lot of people were interested in what we had to say. The most fun part was when we drove the robot around and saw everyone's reactions to Jiggles placing and removing a block from the table. Breaking news! We have an envelope to open from Digital Image Studios now! Hi, it's Jack again, and we have something important here inside of this envelope from Digital Image Studios. So I'm about to open this and...
Hello there!
Get out of here, you photo bomber! So for real this time, let's get this open. To Jack Summers, Team BLOWNFUSES 7045. Dear Jack, thank you for bringing your team's robot to our offices and presenting its capabilities last week. Your friend Molly and you did a fantastic job demonstrating its purpose and functional aspects, as well as expanding the overall design construction methods to our group. The feedback from everyone here was that they are very impressed with your efforts. We all hope you enjoy working on creative projects with your teammates and inventing ways to solve all types of new challenges. From what we can see in the presentation of all your results, you are well on your way to achieving great success, not only with BLOWNFUSES 705 project, with anything you put your mind and energy into. You have a great positive outlook and attitude towards your work, and it shows that with any issue you faced with is possible to overcome. Please accept this $100 donation to help sponsor payment towards the cost of your new REV Robotics Control Hub. You have a great team and coaching support help. Again, thank you for sharing your project with us. We are all looking forward to learn more on how you progress. Best regards, David Helly, President. Thank you, Mr. Helly, for letting us come in and present our robot to Digital Image Studios, and thank you for this generous donation.